Honey generally comes in two varieties, natural honey and cultivated farmed honey. While natural honey production can be observed almost anywhere, the factory processing of honey is quite fascinating. Cultivated honey typically refers to honey produced by bees kept in specially designed boxes. Once these boxes are filled with honey, they are transported to a factory. The trays are removed from the boxes without harming the bees inside, and the extraction process begins. Although this task can be performed manually, it is extremely time-consuming. Therefore, the entire process is carried out using machinery. The machine first slices off the top layer of the honeycomb. The honeycombs are then placed inside a rotating machine, which precisely extracts every single drop of honey. The refined honey is filtered using a special sieve to ensure purity. It is then transferred to a large vat, from which an automated machine precisely fills each jar with a specific amount of honey. Finally, these jars are distributed to various supermarkets. Unlike the manual method of cutting pineapples often seen in our country, the process differs significantly abroad. There, advanced technology and machinery handle everything from cutting to packaging. After being harvested from the plantation, the pineapples are cleaned and placed on a conveyor belt. They then enter a machine where the magic of the peeling mechanism takes place. The machine strips away the pineapple skin in just a few seconds. Another machine then removes the core. Workers subsequently cut the pineapple into smaller pieces by hand. These pieces are then fed into a machine that cuts them down further into small cubes, approximately 1 cubic centimeter in size. Next, the cut pieces travel along a conveyor belt into a specialized machine that dries them. Finally, they are weighed to meet specific standards and packaged. While the jam, Java plum, trees in our country grow quite large, the blueberry or similar varieties abroad are much smaller. Harvesting the ripe fruit by hand is a difficult task, which is why commercial growers use specialized machines. These machines efficiently harvest the fruit from the trees. However, there is a slight issue. Some unripe fruit gets mixed in during the process. A worker manually separates the unripe fruit before the harvest is sent to the factory. At the factory, the fruit is first thoroughly washed in water mixed with an antiseptic solution. After drying, the fruit moves to an inspection station where workers sort out any defective pieces. Finally, the fruit is weighed, packaged, and shipped to another facility. While we in our country might have parathas and eggs for breakfast, ready-made meals are available in packaged form abroad. Let me take you on a tour of a factory that produces these ready-made meals. These massive vessels serve as large cookers. A specific ratio of rice and water is added to each, and the lid is sealed. The rice cooks in about 25 minutes. Once cooked, the hot rice is poured onto a conveyor belt to cool down. Meanwhile, a portion of rice is placed in one section of a container, while meat and vegetable curry are added to the other section. The containers then travel along the conveyor belt through a UV light chamber for sterilization. Afterward, lids are attached to complete the packaging process. These packages are stored at -3 degrees Celsius in supermarkets. When you go to buy breakfast, you can simply spend 100 taka to purchase one of these boxes and have it heated up right at the supermarket. The raspberry is a type of berry. Although not widely known in our country, it is considered a high-value food item abroad. While its general shape resembles a blackberry, its surface texture is similar to that of a sugar apple, custard apple. They come in red and black varieties. Since the berries are very small, they are harvested using machines once ripe. A single machine can harvest raspberries from approximately 1 big ha of land per hour. After harvesting, they are transported to a factory in crates. At the factory, the raspberries undergo thorough washing to remove any insects, dust, or dirt. They are available in both whole and powdered forms. Whole raspberries are washed, chilled to -7 degrees Celsius, packaged, and then sent to supermarkets. For the powdered version, the raspberries are first blanched in hot water. They are then dried inside a specialized moisture-free chamber. Afterward, measured quantities are distributed to various locations where they are ground into powder and sold in specific portion sizes. Although this fruit resembles a jackfruit, it is known as durian. It is most commonly found in regions like Thailand and Indonesia. While the exterior looks like a jackfruit, the interior is completely different. Farmers cultivate durian on plots spanning several acres. Once the fruit begins to ripen, it is harvested and transported to the factory by truck. There, the fruit is washed with clean water and the delicious pulp is extracted. This process is quite challenging because the fruit's outer spikes are extremely sharp. After extraction, the pulp is placed on a tray and stored in a room kept at -5 degrees Celsius. Once chilled, the pulp is cut into small pieces. These pieces are then dried to reduce their moisture content. Finally, butter is applied to them. After that, they are sent for packaging. Durian can be consumed in various ways. However, processing it this way allows it to be stored and eaten as a dried snack for a long time. If you ever visit Thailand or Indonesia, you can find this product in various supermarkets. It is also incredibly delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next episode. Thank you.